Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the most tactically perfect battle in history? How about a battle where the underdog triumphs against a vastly superior force? Welcome to the Battle of Cannae. It's the Second Punic War, a time of epic struggle between Rome and Carthage. On one side we have the mighty Rome, a superpower of the ancient world, led by consuls Lucius Aemilius Paulus and Gaius Terentius Varro. On the other, the city-state of Carthage, guided by the brilliant general Hannibal Barca. The stage is set in Italy in the summer of 216 before the Common Era. Rome, confident in its numerical superiority, fields a force of over 80,000, dwarfing Carthage's estimated 50,000. It's a classic David versus Goliath scenario, but as we all know, numbers aren't everything in battle. As the two forces faced each other on that fateful day of August 2, 216 BCE, Hannibal's tactical genius was about to be unleashed. The Carthaginian forces, although significantly outnumbered, held a secret weapon: Hannibal's strategic mind. He arranged his troops in a convex formation, a forward bulging line with the center deliberately weakened and drawn back. This formation was far from a display of vulnerability. Instead, it was a well-crafted trap, a lure that beckoned the overconfident Romans into the jaws of a deadly encirclement. The Roman forces, under the command of consuls Lucius Aemilius Paulus and Gaius Terentius Varro, fielded a force of over 80,000. They advanced, unsuspecting, into the Carthaginian center, drawn by the perceived weakness. But as they pressed deeper into the enemy lines, Hannibal's flanks began to move. Like the arms of a giant closing around its prey, the Carthaginian flanks pressed inward. The Romans, once the hunters, were now the hunted, ensnared in a trap from which there was little chance of escape. Hannibal's tactic, a double envelopment maneuver, was executed with such brilliance that it left the Romans completely encircled, trapped inside a deadly ring of Carthaginian soldiers. Despite their superior numbers, the Romans were caught off guard, unable to break free from the encircling Carthaginian forces. As the dust settled, the battlefield bore witness to a devastating victory for Carthage, despite their numerical inferiority. In the wake of the battle, Rome was left reeling. However, the war was far from over. The staggering losses at Cannae, where as many as 50,000 Roman soldiers met their end, sent shockwaves through the Republic. Yet, Rome's spirit remained unbroken, and she refused to surrender. Hannibal, the Carthaginian general, had pulled off a tactical masterstroke, but he faced a conundrum. Despite his monumental victory, he could not fully capitalize on his success. Rome's resilience and Hannibal's lack of reinforcements and siege equipment meant that the war continued. The aftermath of the battle was marked by a grim resilience on both sides. Rome, while devastated, began to adapt and learn from this severe defeat. New tactics were developed and lessons were learned about the dangers of underestimating the enemy and the importance of tactical flexibility. The Battle of Cannae's legacy extends far beyond the Second Punic War. It became a classic example of a double envelopment maneuver, studied and admired by military strategists across the ages. From the Roman Republic to the modern era, Cannae's lessons have been internalized and implemented, shaping the course of countless battles. This battle, a testament to Hannibal's tactical brilliance, stands as a stark reminder of the power of strategy and the importance of adapting to circumstances. The Battle of Cannae, a testament to tactical brilliance, continues to inspire and instruct on the art of war, even after more than 2 millennia.